How to draw hands. Hands drawing is a complex subject, especially for a beginner artist. But lazy artist finds hands drawing scary. By the way, my name is Stellar. I am also a lazy artist, and I am going to teach you how to draw hands with my beginner and laziness skills in just a few minutes. So what we are going to do in the first step, that is that you have to click on the photos of your hands, that too in 360 degrees. I tell you how to click 360-degree hands photos. First of all, you have to open the camera of your device. And now you have to click on the photo of your hand. Then you have to turn the hand a little slower. Then you have to click on another photo. You have to click on 4 to 5 photos of 360 degrees. And remember that when you are learning and starting, you have to click 5 to 6 photos. No, it will be more difficult for you to draw your hands. And now we are on the second step. Now our second step is shapes. So first of all, we will start with the palm. To draw the palm, we will draw the rectangle shape. Keep this in mind, the palm is not a perfect square, it is a little rectangle shape. You can also tilt a little by drawing a rectangle. This shape will help you maintain proportions. Now add the fingers above the rectangle. Do not draw the fingers directly, so we will use a cylinder shape to draw the fingers. Each finger has 3 parts, top, middle, and base joint. So to draw each finger, divide it into 3 small cylinder shapes. A tip: the middle finger is the longest, the rest is gradually short. Remember this proportion, your fingers will always look natural. Thumb is a little tricky part. It does not go directly up. It comes out from the side and rotates at different angles. Draw it with a triangle and a combination of a cylinder. To draw a thumb, first triangle, make a triangle and attach to its base palm. Then add a cylinder and decide the direction to the thumb. This method for thumb is very useful. An important point here is, hands never look like a straight line. They have curves. So when you draw a clean outline, use the shapes only as a guide and join them with smooth curved lines. This will make the mechanical drawing look natural. The only way to master your hands is practice. Draw hands in different poses every day, like first, pointing fingers, or relaxed hand. So now you have learned that drawing hands is not as difficult as it seems. Just start with rectangles, cylinders, and triangles, and slowly connect them. Keep practicing, and your hands will start to look more realistic and confident.